Welcome to HH Beauty Garden. Hello to all plant lovers. It's wonderful to see you again on our HH Beauty Garden channel. If you're passionate about gardening and love propagating plants by hand, then today's video is definitely for you. Where are you watching from? Leave us a comment. We'd love to connect with talented gardeners from around the world. In this video, HH Beauty Garden will share a super simple yet incredibly effective method for propagating roses, even from branches that appear dead or wilted in your garden. After watching, you'll be able to transform old rose stems into fresh, vibrant plants with your own hands. How to revive seemingly dead rose stems into new plants. Step 1. Select a rose stem first. Choose a rose stem from your garden, cut it to an appropriate length, making sure it has at least a few dormant buds, those small bumps near the base where new shoots can emerge. Step 2. Remove the bud scales. Use a sharp, clean knife to gently remove the protective outer layer of the dormant buds. This encourages growth by exposing the area most likely to develop roots. Here's a little secret from my years of experience. Gently rub a fresh clove of garlic on the cut. It's a natural protector against bacteria and fungus. Secrets from carrot and coffee. Step 3. Use aloe vera to retain moisture. Cut aloe vera leaves into small sections, about 5 to 10 centimeters long, and insert the rose cutting into the aloe to keep it moist. Aloe vera gel has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, enzymes, and growth hormones that accelerate root development. It also retains moisture extremely well and provides essential nutrients during the early rooting stage. Step 4. Carrot extract. Water. Chop fresh carrots and place them in a glass jar. Add 300 milliliters of hot water to extract nutrients. Carrots are rich in natural vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, C, K, potassium, and calcium, all of which nourish new plant tissue. They also contain antioxidants that protect cuttings from rot or fungus and keep the stem hydrated in the early rooting stage. Step 5. Coffee, always full of surprises. Add coffee grounds. to about 1/3 of a drip filter, then pour in the carrot-infused water. While waiting for the coffee to brew, we move on to the most important step, hydroponics. That's right, no soil, no sand, just our natural root-stimulating solution and soft light. Use a piece of soft sponge, cut to fit the mouth of a glass bottle. To hold your rose cutting in place, a transparent glass bottle is ideal, as it lets you easily observe root development. The sponge not only keeps the stem upright but also maintains moisture around the base, creating optimal conditions for strong and healthy root growth. Glass also helps limit bacterial contamination and keeps your rooting solution clean and fresh. Step 6. Create a natural rooting solution from carrot and coffee. Once the coffee is ready, we now have a solution made from carrot infusion and coffee. Coffee contains mild acids, like tannic and chlorogenic acid, that help adjust the pH of your medium and stimulate root formation. It's also rich in antioxidants and micronutrients, such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which help strengthen your cutting's resistance. In small amounts, caffeine can stimulate plant cell activity, promoting division and root growth. Step 7. Pour the filtered rooting solution into a clean glass bottle. Use soft plastic ties or string to secure the stem, keeping it upright and preventing it from falling into the bottle. Gently push the rose cutting through the sponge, then place the sponge on the bottle's opening so the base touches the solution inside. Step 8. Place in a cool area. Put the cutting in a cool, well-ventilated place away from direct sunlight. This protects the cutting and provides a favorable environment for root development. Magical results will come quickly. In just a short time, you'll see small roots begin to form, maybe even tiny shoots. With this simple, natural method, you can revive old rose stems and grow stunning new roses right at home. Have you tried this method yet? If you found it helpful, leave a comment, share your thoughts, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to HH Beauty Garden so you don't miss more gardening tips. Wishing you a garden full of beautiful blooms, from HH Beauty Garden.